Today in this video I show you how to mute original sound on TikTok. For this you have to open TikTok. Now click on this plus icon. Click on the box. Now select the video that you want to mute and click on next. And if I play this, you can listen the sound.
I'm scared.
Now click on this edit icon. And then click on video timeline. Now slide this to find volume. And mute the original sound like this. Now if you have multiple videos, then click on apply to all. Now click on cross icon. Now the original sound of video is muted. If you want, you can click on add sound and add the song you want, or click on next and then select all these settings to post this video. So this is how you can mute original sound on TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.